All right, so we're here at 13331 St. Andrews Street here Place in Gardena. We started off by running our camera through a 3-inch cleanout that's located on the left-hand side of the house. The cleanout's coming through this little air vent over here on the side. And right now we're all the way out to the city connection in the middle of the street to see the city sewer flowing by there. So we're going to pull our camera back here. And we have a 6-inch clay pipe. This is a 6-inch lateral coming from the middle of the street towards the property. There are some roots in the pipe, you can see. A little bit of roots over there, and when we come back, a little bit of roots here. These are very minor roots. Very normal for a clay pipe to get roots in it. They're all definitely maintainable with some cleaning. You can see just about every joint has some roots. Nothing that's going to cause a blockage at this time, especially in this big 6-inch pipe. It comes onto the property and it changes to a 4-inch clay pipe over here. Now, this pipe also does have roots. In some places a little thicker than the other, but these roots are definitely maintainable. You can see that. Definitely need to be cleaned out. The pipe, periodic cleaning is going to be necessary. It's very normal for a clay pipe to have this kind of root intrusion. Definitely kind of thick roots over there. So we're probably going to recommend hydrojetting over here. But we're going to recommend a cleanout to be installed in front of the house, especially for reasons of hydrojetting. You don't want to run a hydrojetter through a cast iron pipe which is underneath the house. So this is all clay pipe on the outside of the house. Okay, then it comes to a cast iron pipe. This we've located outside of the house, 2.5 feet deep over there. And then it comes to cast iron pipe underneath the house. Cast iron doesn't look too bad. Remember, we're looking at the inside of the pipe. Very minor rust buildup. Doesn't look too bad at all. We always recommend that you never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, etc. These roots over here that you see are coming in from this clean out at the back over here. We'll show you. Somebody installed this little clean out here. You can see the ABS plastic. And actually what it does, right over there, you see the back of the clean out. Probably not capped off properly underneath the house over here. So that's not a good thing. If you ever have a blockage in the house, the water will probably back up underneath the house. So that's going to need to be repaired properly. This is the clean out that we're talking about over here on the left-hand side of the house. We're going to pause the recording for now, and we're going to try to go through the roof vent on the other side of the house.
I'm just listening.
Let me hop up. All right, so we're running the camera from a 2-inch roof vent that's on the other side of the house. We're all the way out to the connection where it comes out of the house. There, you see that part over there. So as we pull the camera back, here's your connection to the main line underneath the house. Cast iron pipe. Very minor rust build-up in it. Doesn't look too bad. You definitely know tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, etc. You may want to definitely consider installing a clean out from underneath the house to the outside on this side of the house, because in case you do have a blockage over here, there could always be somewhere to clean the line from. So we're probably going to recommend that as well. Okay, here it comes up the roof vent. Okay, here we are on top of the roof. So we've checked quite a lot of the sewer line. It doesn't look too bad, and we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.